All right, so this is another episode of Man Tips. We're replacing a temperature sensor right here on this GE oven. It's got 2 screws in the back, so I'm going to take first thing, it's easier to get some space. Let's take the rack out. And you could take the door out too, but I'm using it to kind of hold the camera, so I'll just kind of work around it a little bit. So once you get the screws out, what you're going to want to do is going to pull this off, grab it by the wire, because there's a connection back there. You don't want it to come out. And pull the connection through, like that. And it's got a little clip, kind of right there. Let's see, you should be able to just push in on that. Comes out like that. You want to push down here. I was having trouble because I was pushing too high. So here's the new element, and we want to connect it. Push it back through. Line up the holes. All right, after you make sure they're tight, you're good to go. We'll heat this up to 350 degrees and check it out. But this is another episode of Man Tips. Please subscribe, rate, review. Thank you.